Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia and today I'm walking along this beautiful beach. I can see the crystal clear water, the soft white sand, and plenty of people enjoying the sunshine. The ocean is just breathtaking, it's so blue and vast. The waves are gently crashing onto the shore and the sound is so soothing. The sand is so fine and powdery, it feels amazing between my toes. One interesting thing about this beach is that it's actually a nesting site for sea turtles. These turtles come here every year to lay their eggs, and the beach is carefully monitored to protect their nests. I hope you enjoyed this little beach walk with me. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching.